Okay. Some people say I read for exam, right? I'm preparing for exam. So I read for details, okay? Intensive reading definitely is involved. And I read for fun, novels, okay? Twin Light, that's the type of series that I involve in myself in. So definitely you go for narrow reading, okay? And extensive reading as well, alright? 好，那我们接下来再看一下 what do we know about how people read? Depending on that purpose, we keep repeating this. Another thing is actually there is a higher level of reading process and lower level of reading process. They are a little bit different. Higher level is when we form an overall understanding, okay? So we can just make inferences， 就是说我们就去推断，我们文中没有直接表现出来，可是他没有告诉你，但是你可以理解它的引申的意思。Okay, after you read this piece of article or this piece of information, you know what it implies. That is called higher level processing. You know not only the main idea, you know the message that author wants to give it to you. Okay, so this type of higher level processing sometimes have to relate to our experience, okay, our experience, and that will help us understand. All right. So for example, next one, you read news article about an event in another country. You will definitely integrate idea from different parts of the text to understand what happened. You may also use everything you already know about that country to help you understand. For example, maybe there is like a festival in a certain country. It's not happening in Taiwan, but you know it's happening in that country. So you have to use that, background knowledge to help you understand why do people celebrate, for example, this type of festival. All right. How? So for example, here are some examples. News about SDG, right? You know SDG, right? You connect your background knowledge about it. Okay. A book talks about essential oil, for example, okay? 精油 okay? 所以你怎么样 You connect your background knowledge about it. 精油用在哪里？什么？可以干嘛？精油可以干嘛？提神哦 ，OK， 所以就是类似说芳疗啦，芳疗用法舒压啦 ，right？ 然后呢，精油可以做按摩啊 ，right？ 哈，也可以香薰啊 ，right？diffuser 啊 ，right？ 这些都有 ，right？ So you have to connect your background knowledge to to relate，OK？ 啊，那有些也是用在一些remedies 啊，怎么样？舒压啦都可以啊 ，household cleaning 也可以啊 ，right？ 好 ，personal care 等等 ，OK？ 那 lower level 刚好相反 ，lower level 就是从最 basic。我就先看字，很多字连在一起组成了一个句子啊，我就慢慢理解，从低到高，从最 basic 的word to the sentence, okay, and to the whole paragraph, to the whole article, to the whole essay. So you have to have this type of lower level processing as well in your brain when you read, okay? 所以 reading 其实 involve both lower level and higher level processing, okay? And you have to know about the grammar for sure. Reading must involve grammar. 你一定要理解文法。You need to understand the difference between past tense, okay, present tense, right? And you look for specific keywords to help you to understand, right? So all these are the reading processing. All right. So we use both. Either sometimes we use lower level, sometimes you use higher level processing. Sometimes we use both. Okay, it really depends. Okay. 好，那我们再往下看了哈。Okay, so there is a top down, and bottom up. Top down is from general to specific. Okay. Sometimes you hear from specific to general. What does that mean? Okay, it really depends on how you read. Okay, if you are beginners, you probably need to go for bottom up. You need to start with very specific. Understand every word, the meaning of every word, and you understand the meaning of the sentence. But now, maybe you go for more top-down approach because you are more advanced, maybe intermediate, high intermediate, lower advanced learners. Okay, you can actually go for general to specific. You look at the title, you understand what this essay is about, what this article is about. So you alternate, all right? You alternate both. So how can we make a text meaningful and authentic? This is important. Authentic 是什么意思啊？又来了。Reading 你要出 reading 的考卷，要 make it authentic. Connect to real life. That's the most important thing. Okay, let your learners read in context. 要有内文的支持，让他理解。Okay, and make more meaning to them. And there are so many, tools you can use now. Okay, so technology can always be involved. All right. So second questions here. You will find different types of authentic text in the attachment. OK， 等一下因为我有寄给你，有一个是一个 abstract research 的 abstract research 的摘要，一个研究的摘要，还有一个是 financial report， 一个是 hotel brochure， 一个是 page 这种picture 的 picture book， 另外一种是 description of a process。OK， 过程图、流程图。OK。好，我有这几个 attachment，OK，and I want you to complete the following 2 questions，OK， 这边 ，Please tell us which level of students you will teach。第一件事情，先告诉我你要教哪一个阶级的学生 ，OK， 他们的背光是什么？一样然后他的 proficiency level。Second thing，OK， based on the above type of authentic text, which of these texts will you use to assess your target students' reading skills? Why? 你选一个就好了，没关系，不一定要有2个。那你要选2个也可以。OK， 针对你学生的 background， 他的 level， 你选 OK， 你选适合的 reading material。这边有4个，这边有5个，你挑一个，然后告诉我为什么你会挑这一种类型的。All right， 就这样子。今天可能先到这边，然后下面的部分我们下一次再讲。那你如果跟同学完成之后，过来跟老师说。这么快？好，我们就先到这边哈。你可以挑2种，或是挑1种就好，都没有关系。All right？
就是我今天有去修那个大一的。
Oh, sorry, you need to speak in English. Try.
Okay. Today in my writing class.
Okay,
good. I read a lot of articles and. One teacher asked us to write down the topic, sentence, blah blah blah, and then.
Okay, so you write like a sample writing.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so, and you need to distinguish which one is topic, sentence, supporting ideas, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So first I use skimming.
Skimming, okay.
Yeah. I have to
Categorize. It's
and
okay.
Then
take your time.
I scan the details.
Yes. You go
like
for scanning.
Yes. then the last part I use expeditious.
Expeditious reading. Okay, you read quickly.
Yeah,
because
read my
writing.
article. Yeah.
Your own article.
Yeah,
your own
yeah.
writing, you read it quickly. Why do you need to read it quickly? Is there a reason?
Because time.
Oh, you don't
Yeah.
have enough time. Kind of like a proofreading. 你是在做 review 啦，
对
看有没有放
有没有写错
？OK 没什么时间，所以 expeditious reading
Yeah.
is involved. Very good， 很好。
Thanks.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. 好，give them big hand，很好。来，接下来我们再请有没有 能自愿，自愿可以有奖品，真的有奖品，但是不知道你们喜不喜欢而已。要吗？好，来佩轩来 ，Thank you very much。好，来，所以读了什么哈？啊，要讲英文哦。OK， 好，好，就直接说 OK。
We start topic.
啊，问题是？哦，TOEIC，哦，OK，you prepare for TOEIC？OK，考多益哦？为什么？就自己想考。哦，really？You have to？啊，几分？800。750。哦，750而已啊，很简单呐，一定可以考上的哈。快。
We use skimming.
Skimming, okay. First you go for skimming for what? For what reason?
Test.
What type of test? What type of test exam?
Reading test.
A reading test exam. I know, but I mean, what type of question that asks you so you have to use skimming?
那个阅读测验。
So maybe yeah, skimming 就是只是要看 general idea. So maybe the question related to 什么
Article.
Hey, related to article or what that is about. Maybe the question asks you, oh, what is the main idea of this article? Okay, this essay. Then you will go for skimming because you read the title right to decide.
Yes.
Good. Okay, you go for skimming and then anything else?
We prepare for JLPT N3.
Oh,
Japanese.
oh, okay. You are bilingual now. Good job. So, what type of reading skills you go for?
I need to care for reading.
Careful reading, okay, it's a bit like intensive, right? You read for detail. How come you need to do that for Japanese?
Because it gives us many time for read through the article. So we need to find the detail for
Oh, okay, they ask for details, like a specific date, names, right? So you have to read carefully. Okay, got it. Anything
And
else?
Number 3 is we read Twilight.
Oh, Twilight for what? For fun, right? Yeah, so that is like what?
Enjoyment.
Enjoyment, so it's like extensive reading, okay? It could be narrow reading as well because you only narrow down your topic to this type of novels. Twilight. Okay, good job. Thank you very much. Give them a big hand. 好，来小礼物。